look, there's a Corvette. What do you think, John? Are you getting excited? That's a pretty white one down there.
So go straight.
In a half a mile, turn right. The National Corvette Museum. This is RV's camper, straight ahead.
Whoa, look at the Corvette Museum.
Okay, where are we?
Kentucky, where we're at the Corvette Museum, which is really cool. So this is the museum that the sinkhole, like 9 Corvettes fell through the floor. So we're really excited to go in and see what happened and look at all the Corvettes. I've had a couple Corvettes in my life, a 1999 black one and a 2006 silver one, both with 6-speed transmission. So excited to check out the new Corvette. Corvette National Museum. Woo!
Yay!
Alright, let's go, guys.
All right, let's go check this place out. You ready, Ollie man? Let's go. Let's go in. So this says, welcome to the Corvette Theater, the Corvette Museum History Film. Oh, in and out. In and out. That must not have been too cool, huh?
So back in 1953 to 1955, this was a Ford Thunderbird that came out. So these were the 2 competing sports cars in 1955. So this is the Chevrolet Corvette and the Thunderbird, and they both came out to compete as the first sports cars in that year. This was Ford's response to the Chevrolet Corvette that actually came out in 1953. Here, all of the 1953 Corvettes were made in polo white with red interior. So these were the first. This was the first one that came out in 1953. So in 1954, this grocery store owner, Richard Sampson, bought this 1954 Corvette. And he loved to drive it, but his wife didn't like to drive it. So he owned these grocery stores, and he decided, since his wife didn't like to ride in it, decided to seal it in a brick and mortar tomb within one of his new stores. It was not removed from the tomb until the year 2000. Shortly before his death in 1969, though, he removed the stipulation from the will. So basically, you know, you don't get, if your wife doesn't like to drive the car, what you do is you brick it into your store so that you can save it for later, I guess.
Okay, so look over here. This is what they made in the 50s for kids.
Bumper cars. Look at these bumper cars.
I wonder how many garages across the United States have these little Corvettes from 1956 buried in like the garage or something.
This is a pedal car. This is a toy that you guys could buy.
In 1956, this is the Kitty Corvette pedal car.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh, look at all these up here. Look at all these Corvettes.
Yeah, they're all around here. There's like all of the
Lots of toys. What do you think? We found cooler stuff.
Okay.
Wow, look at these. Oh, that looks like something from Speed Racer, doesn't it?
It really does, doesn't it?
World record ZR1, so how many more team engineers broke the 24-hour speed endurance record with the ZR1 Corvette here in 89. This was a remarkable car. This dominated for many years. This yellow one here, this 2000. Dale Earnhardt Jr. This is the one that he drove, the NASCAR race car driver. four-man driver team, number 3 Corvette. So it's number 3 after Dale Earnhardt Sr.
Hey, Dad, come look at this.
See, there's Dale Earnhardt Sr. driving it. Ooh, look, this is the Gran Turismo 6 Corvette, Jack. So you can get this for your PS3 or PS4. And there's the video game up there.
It came out when I was born.
It's pretty old. Let's go look at this racetrack.
I'm not old.
So this is the 2015 C7R race car that came in a close battle that won the 2016 24 Hours of Daytona. And it looks like to me they just brought the car straight from the racetrack here because it has all the bugs and tar all over it. That's not recreated if you're looking at this in person. It's actual from the racetrack, which is unbelievable. So they really preserved it. You see all the bugs and tar all over the front here? Oh, see how it has scrapes from other cars on the fenders? It's got scrapes underneath.
Oh my god. You guys have to see the next one. It's from 19.
Okay, let's move on. So you can see the whole journey right here. Started with the 53 white and the red. This here and the 63 split window. These are really popular. 64 is this concept car right here. 68 is this blue one. The 68 concept car ended up being the 68. This was a really popular line. And it went to this concept prototype. Everyone's seen this one, and this was supposed to be it. Look at all the prototypes they made. 73. And this was the one that my dad bought. This was the revolutionary changing Corvette of 1984, which it was actually a real big piece of junk. Then 86, 90 concept car. The most incredible Corvette changing times is the hydrofoam rail in 1997 Corvette here.
Is that the one you had?
I had a 99, which was similar to this, but this is where it really changed because they stiffened up the chassis a bunch, put in all kinds of new technology into it, and then the 2005, which I bought one of these as well. Mine was the silver 2005, which this was just an improvement off of this, and then they got into the new ones in 14, and the brand new 2020.
So what year did you get rid of your Corvette?
I don't know, probably 2009 or 10 when I got married.
So it's my fault. My fault.
I need a Corvette with 5 people. So these are cool. These are the concept Corvettes. You don't get to see these. I mean, look at how pretty the lines are on these. You know? What do you think, Ollie, man? I'm trying to see. Wow. 67. Oh, this is beautiful. 427 engine, big giant side pipes on it. Convertible. I can see Mom driving around in that.
I can definitely see me driving around in that. Isn't it cute?
Let's go
It's
to
got
the
a big
other
honking engine in it.
Now I want to go to the.
Look at these tires here. These are racing slicks here. See how this has tread here?
Yeah.
This doesn't have any tread, so you get more of the tires to the ground, which they're stickier. The bad part is when you have water with this, they hydroplane. So they're not very good in the rain. They're good for racing. That's about it. These are awesome. They're rehabbing that yellow Corvette that you see up in the picture. It's a 1981.
Why is it like only the hood? Why not the
Because they're working on the thing. They got a long ways to go. Neat.
Corvette swallowed by the museum's February 12, 2014 sinkhole.
Oh my goodness, look at the damage to this thing.
Oh my goodness, take a look, more than 30 feet down
That's scary.
into what's left of the sinkhole that rocked the Corvette world. This is it.
Oh, so look, there's even left the floor out.
30 feet down. Whoa. Okay. Oh. You want to buy that one? Look at the black one though. What year's that? That's the black one there, coming up out of the ground.
That was amazing, wasn't it? Look at these. Side pipes and everything. Alright, let's go get ourselves some hand sanitizer, guys.
Get some hand sanitizer. So what did we think of the Corvette Museum?
It was incredible.
Was this awesome?
I mean, a museum for one vehicle is hard to pull off. So they did a great job. One car. How many museums you see this big around the world?
But it was really cool. We got a lot of cool pictures.
Our oversized parking area. And we're the only ones here. Look at that.
Hello guys, we're back from the Corvette Museum with Jack, Oliver, my mom and dad are outside, and pretty much, so we're going to show you what we got from the gift shop. So the first thing on top that we have here is Oliver's toy. He got this Corvette set of all the Corvettes, and it's got like some little cones and stuff, and then there's these Corvettes, all of these super duper awesome and cool. That was the next thing.
Those Smash Corvettes were so cool.
Yeah, the Smash Corvettes are really cool. Alright, the next thing that we got, my mom got this long shirt.
It's long because it doesn't, it's big for you, but not for
Long
her.
sleeved, I should say. But pretty much that's what's in it.
She forgot the word.
And it's a medium size, by the way. You can probably see because there's a sticker right here. The next thing that we have are two hats. So I'll show you guys them both. So the next thing that we have is this hat. It's a Corvette hat. This is my mom's hat, which I'll probably end up using too. So because we kind of share hats. And then there's my dad's hat, which we'll probably even end up sharing his too. I mean, my mom uses my dad's. And then the next thing that we got is this cool Corvette car.
Don't flip it upside down, the hood will pop up and it's really hard to get it back on. I mean, under, it's really impossible in the box. But that's my Corvette.
So that's what Jack got. And then I didn't really want to get anything, but my mom like insisted because everybody was getting something. And she didn't want to leave me out, so she told me to get something. So I ended up just grabbing something, and I grabbed a water bottle. So
It actually took her a minute to think. She was about to get two.
So it's a cute Corvette,
Like, she had to think about it.
and the water bottle, it pops up like that. And so yeah, this is what I got, and I love this color. I think this color.
I know, I was about to get that actually.
This color.
I was about to get that same one.
I thought this was so cute. And that is all I recommend going and visiting the Corvette Museum. It was the best, a really awesome, really awesome experience. It was just so cool because like the sunken cars, they made like a whole museum part just on the sunken cars, which I thought was super awesome.
I don't think
Rue and I think Mateo's outside, so let's go say hello. Jack is sitting over here. So let's go say hi to Mateo. How about
Hi! It's so nice outside.
It is. It's really nice. We're in front of the Corvette Museum, and where that point is, that is where the sunken room happened, sunken area. So that was really cool.
So we just made it to Chaney's Dairy Barn to get ice cream. But before we get ice cream, we're gonna walk down this way and take the self-guided tour of their dairy farm and see where they milk the cows and how they get their ice cream.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, there's like a huge jump. Let's do this.
Chaney Farm. Look at this. Do you guys see the cows in here? All right, I think this is really cool. This is a robotic milking machine. This shows you, I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a cow standing in there, and this machine is just, look at this thing, oh God. Now it's gonna hook up to her teats. Is that what, oh God, ooh, ooh. It got one. Oh, it finally got the other one.
Look, you can see the milk going in, Mom.
I can, oh my goodness gracious. Jack, honey, I don't want you to bump that. Oh my goodness, and Vivian, there's the milk coming out right over there. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. Look at all those cows. Boy, and there's that automatic, electronic, robotic milking machine. Right over here. Doing its thing. All right, I think we're ready for ice cream. What do you think? You guys ready for some ice cream?
It's crazy we're out here.
Pretty cool, right? You want to ride a cow, pet a cow, groom a cow, cuddle a cow.
How are you? Do-do-do-do.